Still waters run deep. Idiom. The idiom still waters run deep means that quiet people often have a lot going on beneath the surface. They might be very thoughtful, intelligent, or have strong feelings, even though they don't show it outwardly. Examples: Police never talks much in class, but when she does, her answers are always brilliant. Still waters run deep with Police. Greta is very quiet, but her paintings show a lot of emotion and depth. Still waters run deep with Greta. Tips for remembering. Visualize. Picture a calm, still lake. Even though it looks peaceful on the surface, it might be very deep underneath. Think of people. Consider someone you know who is quiet but surprises you with their insights or talents. Compare. Quietness often hides depth, much like how still water hides its actual depth. Next time you meet someone quiet, remember, still waters run deep. It might just be the surface that's calm. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.